Yep, here he comes. Go right ahead. We're going to go flying around a blind corner. Good idea.
Thank you.
Have a good night. Yeah. Oh, okay, I got you. Yeah, I saw that now. Have a good one. Thank you. That might be it. Henry?
Henry.
Yeah, I got it. Thank you. Pack this properly.
Well,
Yeah.
that's me.
Okay. That's one. That's two. Three. Okay. Have a good night. Yes. Push. Scott and Mary. Yeah, I'm gonna confirm. I'm gonna get out of their way, then I'm confirming. Okay, thank you. All right.
If you are,
There you go. Have a good one.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Second time I've been here. I hope it's the last. Oh. 3J delivery.
Thank you very much.
Delivery, send them up.
Yeah, who's calling?
The doorman. Hello, can you hear me? Yeah, it's the doorman. Food delivery. 3A?
3J.
3J. Oh, no, sorry, wrong apartment. Wrong apartment. Hi, food delivery, send them up.
Thank you.
No problem.
Sorry. This is 33. Sorry. There it is. There you go. Have a good night. Thank you. Take care. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good night. Nicole? Thank you.
I'll get the phone.
Yeah, thank you. Pick up. Owen?
Yeah, it's half straight.
Yeah, I'll wait. Thank you. Yep, confirmed. Thank you. You have a, the receipt to scan?
Yeah, it's not printing.
Oh, all over it.
Yeah, and you get a back to book.
Sit around waiting all night. It's gonna take a while. Wow, there's no cars coming. Yeah. Here, watch them start off with no turn signal. That's right. Just keep going. Nice blinker. There you go. Have a good night. Thank you. Oh, fun to watch though. Broke down, Range Rover. That's fine. Okay.
Ask for a table. Okay, what kind of meat?
I'll wait outside. Yeah, thank you.
Pick up for Jonathan.
Jonathan? Just one? Oh. Give us about like 10, 15 after
Okay.
your pack.
All right. Yeah.
You're gonna wait, right?
I'll wait out here. Let me know when it's ready. Yes, let me know.
It's busy inside, right?
Yeah.
Mine's probably not ready. Super busy.
Yeah.
Busy today?
Very busy.
On the Uber?
Yeah. Okay.
Jonathan C, right?
Yeah.
No, this is ready. Can you check later? Good time.
Okay.
Good time.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Jonathan C says, need a door.
Jonathan? Yeah. There we go. Have a good one. Thank you.